We used to think that God lives in heaven and that he is very smart. Nobody saw him, but everyone is sure that he is an elderly Caucasian. The same is the case with aliens. We think that they live in heaven and they are very smart. Nobody saw them, but we are sure that they have green skin and big eyes. Therefore, God and aliens are one and the same. Otherwise, logic is a pseudoscience and is not worth a penny. In the video, I show you how to make the icon of an alien and how to make the flying saucer. Let's start with the icon. On the draft, you can see a happy alien mom feeding a cute baby alien. And this is what the final result looks like. Now we are going to make a flying saucer. God worked without blueprints. I have no such ability, so I make a drawing first. God created the universe at once. He was very pleased with the result. And God saw that it was good, the Bible said. But the Bible does not say anything about the process. It looks like it's a proprietary secret. I would like to know more details on this know-how. There is not a single word in the Bible about the methodology. I don't have anything. You can find out all the details right now. Finally, everything is ready. Behave yourself, love humans and aliens, and remember that all humans and all aliens are equal. Then the aliens will give you love and patience, and you will ascend to heaven on this magical escalator. Aliens will meet you there and everything will be fine. I promise it. And of course, welcome to my workshop.